Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Have you ever found yourself unable to open iPhone photos on your Windows 11 PC? In this video, I'll reveal why, and I will walk you through the steps to resolve this issue. Let's go. Apple switched to the HEIC image format with iOS 11. It's better than JPG because it saves space without losing image quality, so it's the default for photos taken on iPhones. However, because HEIC is from Apple, a significant disadvantage is that it's not compatible with all devices and programs, such as PCs. If you need to view iPhone photos on a PC, you'll likely need to convert them to JPG. To view HEIC files in Windows 11, you can either convert them to JPG or use a HEIC-compatible program. If you only need to view the files, both options work well. However, for use in projects, it's better to convert them to JPG. And this tool is what I'll recommend. It is the ideal solution for this problem. With it, you can either convert HEIC photos to JPG during transfer from your iPhone or iPad, or convert the existing HEIC files on your computer to JPG. You can get this tool by clicking the attached link in the description box below. This offers features such as iPhone data transfer between iPhone, iPad, and computer, iPhone backup and restore, WhatsApp message management including backup, restore, transfer, and bulk HEIC to JPG conversion. To start the conversion, launch the tool on your PC. Then go to HEIC to JPG in the navigation panel. Click the Browse button to select and add one or more HEIC photos from your computer. You can also import HEIC photos to the software by dragging and dropping them here. Next, select a destination for your converted file by clicking Custom Path. You can rename the folder, for example, to Converted, so it's easy to find later. Now, click Start All to convert your HEIC photos to JPG. Once the conversion is complete, click the View button to see the converted JPG photo on your PC. After converting HEIC files to JPG on your computer, you can easily open and view them in Windows 11. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.